Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can share Workflowy calendar. So let's get straight into it. Now you have here two options. So if you want just the specific share, so let's say April 30 we want to share, click here on these three horizontal dots and down here you will see share. So click on it. And now what you can do here, you enter the email of the person which you want to share with. Here you can adjust what this person can do. So has full access. So this means that it can edit, comment, and share. Can edit and comment, but not share, and just view. So he can't or she can't view, she can't edit or comment. And then just click invite. Now, if you want to share the entire thing, here at the top right corner, you see here the person icon with the plus next to it. So this means the share, and it's basically the same thing as here, which I showed you a few seconds ago. And yeah, this is pretty much it, how you can share it with your people. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next